We read English.
English is read by us.
We don't read English.
English is not read by us.
Do we read English?
Is English read by us?
Do we not read English?
Is English not read by us?
Why do we read English?
Why is English read by us?
Why don't we read English?
Why is English not read by us?
We are reading English.
English is being read by us.
We aren't reading English.
English is not being read by us.
Are we reading English?
Is English being read by us?
Aren't we reading English?
Is English not being read by us?
Why are we reading English?
Why is English being read by us?
Why aren't we reading English?
Why is English not being read by us?
We have read English.
English has been read by us.
We haven't read English.
English has not been read by us.
Have we read English?
Has English been read by us?
Haven't we read English?
Has English not been read by us?
Why have we read English?
Why has English been read by us?
Why haven't we read English?
Why has English not been read by us?
We read English.
English was read by us.
We did not read English.
English was not read by us.
Did we read English?
Was English read by us?
Did we not read English?
Was English not read by us?
Why did we read English?
Why was English read by us?
Why did we not read English?
Why was English not read by us?
We are reading English.
English was being read by us.
We weren't reading English.
English was not being read by us.
Were we reading English?
Was English being read by us?
Weren't we reading English?
Was English not being read by us?
Why were we reading English?
Why was English being read by us?
Why weren't we reading English?
Why was English not being read by us?
We had read English.
English had been read by us.
We hadn't read English.
English had not been read by us.
Had we read English?
Had English been read by us?
Hadn't we read English?
Had English not been read by us?
Why had we read English?
Why had English been read by us?
Why hadn't we read English?
Why had English not been read by us?
We will read English.
English will be read by us.
We won't read English.
English will not be read by us.
Will we read English?
Will English read by us? Will English be read by us?
Won't we read English?
Will English not be read by us?
Why will we read English?
Why will English be read by us?
Why won't we read English?
Why will English not be read by us?
We will have read English.
English will have been read by us.
We won't have read English.
English will not have been read by us.
Will we have read English?
Will English have been read by us?
Won't we have read English?
Will English not have been read by us?
Why will we have read English?
Why will English have been read by us?
Why won't we have read English?
Why will English not have been read by us?